Rain pretty much died off, but making the most of this rain day. Looks like we got some more coming here this afternoon. Want to take you in here, show you the progress. Greg's welding these rails on there. I think he's going to get some paint. We're going to end up painting this black because these are starting to rust. Hey, new skid steer came. Gal PowerTech 5240 Turbo E-Series. We needed it here when we were out moving bales, and now we've got 3 skid steers. Make it 4. John Deere 240. Dad found this little gem at an auction, and he just couldn't pass it up. We had one of these brand new. I think we had 2 back in the day. So he's going to take that. He's going to end up moving out of the farmhouse. He's got his own place kitty corner to me, and he may keep it there for plowing snow. But look at this. So 2 new skids come to the farm. Yell, John Deere. We got 2 cases. Remember I told you we got all that steel from that factory that closed? Well, we set racks up in this big pole barn in case we needed it. Well, a month later, we're using it. Lonnie's cutting pieces. I'll show you what Greg's doing. He's welding them in there for that manger. Yeah, we were using our generator that powers the farm when we're out of power to run his welder in here. Worked out good. We need to run that anyway. We haven't ran it in a few months, so we keep them going. I like Greg's concept here, his idea of railing this up like this. It's going to be real nice, and you're doing a good job. Look at it. Try to get this done, bedded, cleaned out, moved over, then we can tear all that out and do it all over again. Let's go. He's got it. Guys, next day, boy, it dried up quick, didn't it? Well, check it out. When I was milking, they moved the cattle over. She's not new anymore. Full action. Been using this Gal to feed round bales a little bit. So the concrete guys are doing driveways right now, elevated patios. We're not going to tear this out until we know they can be here the next day. So we don't have these guys bunched up with all of them for too much longer like we did before. So probably next week, when they get caught up, we'll be able to move these over, and we're going to rip and tear on this. But as of right now, both these pens are clean. Hey, girls. And when Greg, he told me when he seen them come in here and they used his manger, he said it was a proud moment. Everything worked out the way he wanted it. There's your water opening. And look at him. The new railing is not bothering him one bit. He boxed this corner in like this, railed it right up, because we've got a hydrant there, and that's where our power is. But yeah, look at that curb. Went a little higher there. Okay, what we got going on next, I don't know if I told you, but Dad's moving out of the main farmhouse here. Kenny Quarter and me, we got another house that was attached to a 40-acre farm that we bought, and he had to rent it out, but now the renters have been gone. He's got to do some remodeling in there. This is the main farmhouse. I think my nephew's gonna move in there and keep that baby occupied. We grew up in that house, and so did Dad for the most part. So we're gonna head over. I'll show you my house along the way and just show you how much closer we are. We were close before, we're gonna be really close now. All right, just pulled in my driveway. This is where we live. Oh, gotta check for traffic here, guys. Car coming. And we're going right here. There's the new pad. We made it. Let's get in there and see what they got going on. Putting that John Deere to work.
Yeah, it's there. Look at that siding up there.
We gotta, yep, we gotta have to
Put a screw on.
And we're in. Not sure when this was built. Lonnie and Lance are in here. Brother combo. Looks like they went to Wendy's for lunch. Smells a little musty in here. Oh yeah. So this would be the front door. Here. Nice little rooms. This was built a long time ago. Smaller rooms. Look what they did. They put some natural light blocks. That's nice. Yeah, that's my house right over there. Got a nice little archway here. And here's the, what do we, whoa! Okay, what was this? There was a closet here. One big room. Okay, we're gonna have to tear, I'm gonna help you guys. Right here, that's how you know it's old. These are what you call true 2x4s. Actual 2x4.
That's what I said on that song.
That boy. And that's that. Look at the wood. I don't know why people cover them woods up. They did that in my house. I uncovered them, refinished them. Original floors. This is the washer and dryer hookup. This was in the basement. Never put upstairs. An old lady was going down here doing her laundry in the basement still. Just put this here. There's gonna be a bathroom and probably master bedroom. Good job, guys. Rest of the tour, end of the hallway here. We came in through the kitchen. We got a bathroom right here. Little story here. I ended up finding the owner of this place years back. I found her on this toilet, passed away. She never had any kids. She had a bunch of, she had nieces and nephews, and that's who we ended up buying the house and all the property from. And nobody checked in with her for a couple weeks. She's in her 90s. Like you said, I lived right over there. So they come and got me and they said, you can get a check on her. Come around here. Finally, I found a window open. Matter of fact, I think it was this window. That barn wasn't there at the time. I jumped in. Never been in this house before. Come through here. Came around. Turned. And that's when I saw. Called 911. And I guess she had been there. You know, I checked the pulse. She had been there. for a couple weeks, but Annie Dragman, she was best friends with the lady that I bought my house from. Like I said, there I am. And back in the day, they made my house into a house in 1960. So that's when I think they were about here in the early 60s. And they used to walk across the street and talk to each other, best friends. And but she got her wish, which most probably anybody's real wish is they want to, you want to die in your own house and you don't want to leave your house. That's what happened. So rest in peace, Annie Dragman.
Give me your chainsaw and you can push it out of there.
Away we go. Yep, putting that back in.
Okay.
Wow, look at these shade trees. Here's the front of it. There's my place again. I know I said that about 10 times. So there's that glass. You can see we were in that room. I'll do a little landscaping, but this is limestone. This was no cheap house when it was built. Built with a little bit of class. Built ranch. Nice little ranch. Air conditioning. Old school antennas.
There you go.
Yeah, them bushes really block the house, don't they?
They're no good.
We're right on the corner here. Here's my corner. We ended up getting this all surveyed off. Check out that monument. Siegler Farms boundary line. That's a heck of a monument. Right in there.